welcome back to another episode of the Accommodation Show. This is a mini episode, so a little bit shorter than what we normally do. But this week, I'm joined by the amazing, the incredible Julie George.
You shouldn't call yourself short, Bart. I mean, come on, let's go.
Come on, the secret's out. If you haven't met me in person, I am a little bit shorter than other people, but taller than others as well.
I was going to say,
look,
I think I'm matching you right there. But guys, great to see everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, looking forward to talking about what's to come.
Yeah, look, we're at the Here to Stay conference, day 2, so the event is on its way to wrapping up. It's been a really fun, cool event. I'm just stopping people that I really admire, that I think that have been around to a bunch of events, that have seen a bunch of things like yourself, and just asking people, what's kind of your biggest takeaway from 2024 that people can use in their business in 2025?
Oh, actually, great question, because isn't it getting more and more, I guess, congested a little bit in our market? Yeah. And it's getting tougher to stand out above the crowd. So yes. I think one thing I would suggest, if you're tuning in right now, you're a host, you're looking to level it up, or property manager, and you're wanting to really stand out above the crowd, you've really got to think about how to surprise and delight these guests. Yeah. I think the one thing we are now aware of is that when a guest turns up to a property these days, they've already checked the listing, they've looked at the reviews, they've probably checked you out on Instagram and Tinder, who knows, but they know everything about you, and they they're expecting to know everything about your property when they get there. Surprise them. Why not do something? I've got a friend over in the US, Rose Tipka, and I'm going to take this tip from Rose.
I do know Rose. She's amazing.
She's awesome. But she said to me the other day, she's got a lockbox, a big lockbox. It's a timed lockbox. Now she times this like a little bit of a what are the jumping jacks out of the box?
Yeah.
So that on their last day of a person's stay, your guests are coming to stay, the last day there's a note that says this box is going to open you and there's going to be a little surprise in it for you. And she puts a Polaroid camera in there so that guests can capture their last day in your property and surprise them with something that they didn't expect. What a cool idea, right? That's
a really cool idea. And I think that with that sort of thing, you can create an experience, right? So that's what we're selling, experiences that aligns with your brand, and it's surprise and delight. And to do something like that, you do have to put in more work though, right? So it is about over-delivering. It's not maybe a lot of work, but you do have to put that extra effort in. And what we're saying is that when there's more saturation, when there's so much more competition, we have to do something to be able to stand out and set ourselves above all the competitors.
100%. There's so many amazing professionals out there now. You've got to really think outside the box and the lockbox to come up with something new.
Yeah, beautiful. Look, I love the tip. Thank you so much. Looking forward to speaking to you again soon. Ms. Julie George, take care.
Thank you very much.
See ya.